This first mistake is a Y-intercept problem, which is about the easiest problem on the SAT, until it isn't. Stick around so you can avoid getting tricked.
Let's go! Solve your math problems.
Here's problem 1. Tap pause to try problem 1 on your own. As always, start by finding the most important word. So find the word what and jump to the sentence that has the question in it and look for the math vocabulary word. If there's a word that you or the kid sitting next to you might not understand, that's the most important word. In this problem, it's Y-intercept. Do you know what Y-intercept means? If not, let me remind you. The Y-intercept is the value of Y when X equals 0. You may be wondering, how can you find the value of Y if there isn't even a Y in the problem? Well, let me give you a little Dadvice. F of X means Y. So whenever you see F of X, write Y instead of F of X. It's a lot less confusing. So now that we know where the Y is, it's finally time to put 0 in for X. This disappears, and the answer is just 2. Hopefully you hit the easy button on that one, but if not, hopefully now you will remember that the Y-intercept is the value of Y when X equals 0, and you should write Y instead of F of X. And whenever you need the Y-intercept, just put 0 in for X. Let's do problem 2. Tap pause to try problem 2 on your own. Again, find the what, then find the most important word. Shockingly, it's another Y-intercept problem. Putting in 0 eviscerated nearly everything, and all that was left was 2. If you're not sure why nearly everything disappeared, it's because 0 times anything is 0. Before we look at question 3, the trick question, let me ask you to please like this video. And because I can't explain 12 years of math in 10 minutes, please subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends. Tap pause to try problem 3 on your own. It's another Y-intercept question, so we'll put 0 in for X again. What could possibly go wrong next? But the answer is not 2. The answer is 3. Here's why. This time, when you put 0 in for X, the 5 to the 0 power does not disappear. Do you know what 5 to the 0 power is? It's 1. Do you know what 3,851 to the 0 power is? It's 1. Do you know how many brain cells I have? 1. We better take a closer look at this 0 power rule. You should probably write this down. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 8, 37, 943, it doesn't matter. All of them to the 0 power equal 1. There's one exception to the 0 power rule, which is not on the SAT. Then there's one exception that is on the SAT sometimes. So be careful. Look at these 3 examples. Do you understand why the last one equals -1? It's -1 because the negative is in front of the parentheses. So the X or the number gets turned into 1 and then multiplied by the negative in front. So watch out for that possibility. Now back to our originally scheduled program. Because 5 to the 0 power is 1, we get 1 plus 2 for 3. By the way, if you know what 0 to the 0 power is, which is not on the SAT, by the way, please add the answer in the comments below. I hope this helps you on test day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so that you won't miss any videos, and most importantly, improve your SAT score. Free practice problems, including some harder ones, are linked in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Please practice.